So I've been here in Longview for a few days, still at my dad's, and just walking out back of his condo building right now. Got a nice river behind him. But yeah, we're getting ready to head out here today. We're gonna go down to the gorge along the Columbia River and probably take the drone, go fly that around for a bit and see if I can get enough footage to make a video today, but we'll see. We're out here walking on this trail to try to go see Beacon Rock in a state park. The main trail is closed though, so we're just on this other short trail. Hopefully we can see something. I'm using my Canon today rather than my GoPro, so we'll see how it works. That's where we wanted to climb, up there. There's stairways and a trail up there, but it's closed. So we're stuck down here. I'm hoping this trail loops around to somewhere I can put my drone up so I can fly my drone up towards the rock, but I'm not too hopeful, but hopefully it opens up out here so I can get it up there and try to get some shots of the rock. So the trail we just walked, turns out it just comes down to the campground that we were just at, that we just drove to. So kind of a pointless trail. Now we just gotta hike back it to get back to the truck. So that's cool. Just got back from that trail. No luck on finding anywhere to fly the drone, which is a bummer. Hopefully there's somewhere down the road that I can put it up, but I don't know if we'll be lucky enough to find a spot. We never did find a spot that I could put up my drone by Beacon Rock, but we just got a good lunch, so I guess that makes up for it. Skittles. Skittles. Diesel. Well, that just about finishes up our day out. We just got back. It was fun. Went to Beacon Rock, went through Oregon a little bit, got a good lunch, and now we're back and make some dinner.